Hey guys, so today we're not wasting. We don't got time to waste.
Tell them where we're going first.
We're going to the beach each. Let's get away. They say what they're gonna say. Okay, first.
Love, what are you looking for?
Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did, girl. This is it, girl. Give me 25 lives. I just wanna. Done. They don't get another shot. Cause it's all drunk. Like a TV show playing reruns. Every chance I get, I'ma turn you my girl. Baby, you're the shit, girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did, girl. Put you in the middle of the spotlight. You're my biggest hit, girl. Let me play live. Let me play live.
Savannah did our eyebrows.
Just keep it coming.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going to the beach.
Y'all had that. Is that a thing? No.
I kind of made it up. Yeah.
Okay.
Did that make sense? A little bit.
That works. Yeah. I feel like it works.
Gotta cut this back and then we're gonna be at the beach. Okay, gotta entertain them.
Hello?
Hello. You've been in a couple. I don't think you've ever been in my like vlog videos before.
Never.
I've posted you, I think, once or twice, but we're getting water right now. Water. What did I do? Oh shoot. Oh.
Oh, it's a heart.
What's up?
It's a heart.
Kylie's little charges lined up as a heart.
George.
I'm so sick and tired of the bullying. Oh my gosh, she's
that's
coming
so
back. She's coming back.
Oh my gosh.
Kylie, mira.
You're
It's a
so
heart.
lickety split fast. It's a heart. Look.
So what are we gonna do? Just a regular, simple
you.
one. Thank you. Thank you.
I love the sucky thing.
Want me to keep yours in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Look at
we-
me. I want to put you on the eyelash.
Cause you